creator behind kCharlescouture, where we turn budget-friendly into runway-ready, and all from the comfort of our home. No patterns? No problem. Because here we make fashion fun, fierce, and totally DIY. Join our Facebook group at kCharlescouture. That way you can share your looks, personal styles, tips, and all other good things with other sewers just like you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I'm going to be posting for you every single week. So y'all know my motto: grab your scissors, grab some material, and let's go design something fabulous together. See you soon. All right, y'all, so we are done. Like, the skirt is done, the top is done, but guess what? I forgot. So I decided I'm going to put some snaps on my top. I'm not going to do buttons because I'm not really a button girl anyway. But here's the buckle that I have on in. Because this buckle is nice, I'm going to, of course, do the silver grommets on my belt. And then I'm going to do silver snaps. But I don't have any silver snaps. Only snaps I had were like this gold. So I'm going to go get some silver snaps from Michael's or whatever. But guess what? The outfit is done. Yeah, it is so cute. I can't wait to put it on. I got the perfect little tennis shoes. I told you I got my little Stan Smith Adidas, the white ones with the little pink. So it's going to be so cute, y'all. I tried it on. Everything fits wonderfully. These pleats right here are kind of crazy in the front because the way when I put the waistband on, it kind of messed it up. But once I iron it, it's going to be good. But here is the finished product. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I told you I took instead of making it a leather strap belt buckle, I just went ahead and used the linen. And I made sure I put some heavy interface on the inside so it could be nice and sturdy. And then, like I said, I'm going to put my grommets on there. But I want to make sure everything is coordinating with this silver buckle. I love the buckle. So let me go get these snaps and I'll be back and show y'all the race. I want to be with you. Me just love you. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind and work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. We gon' function, doing some shit. Feeling like Tyson with it. Look at that Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm the kid. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, man. I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, I'm ready to come in. I'm feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end.